Alrighty.
Alright, so first to clean your screen, you use these squares, rags, and then Greenway. First thing you want to do is get all of the excess ink off of the board and the screen using the squares. You scrape them off, and you throw it in the trash.
Beautiful.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Take this for a second.
Such a beautiful thing. That's wonderful. What are you doing now?
Now you pull the tape off the screen and you put it in the trash. I thought you were pointing at the whiteboard. And then you take a rag. Where's the green light? Oh, it's right here. These rags go in this pile.
No, it's right here.
Oh, I'm stupid. You take a rag and Greenway and you spray and you take off the excess ink that's on. The step when you're removing the screen is to put emulsion remover on it. You spray it, put it heavier in places where there's more emulsion. Spray it on both sides. And then you'll wait for about a minute. The step when you're removing the screen is to put emulsion remover on it. You spray it, put it heavier in places where there's more emulsion. Spray it on both sides. And then you'll wait for about a minute. So now you use the power hose to remove it all. Next you degrease it, you spray the screen, and then you scrub it with a red scrub brush on both sides. Alright, after this sits for 20 seconds, you wash it off with the mousse. Spray it on both sides. Where's the other one? And wash it with the white scrubber. Then you spray it with the hose for the last time. Tip all the water out. And set it over by the fans to dry. And you got a clean screen. All done.
Even though the instructions are over.